Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about the Dash Now homepage on Doordash. So on the Dasher app, you're going to notice that there's a lot of different tabs, and one of the ones we know about, we use the most often, and we don't really talk about is the overall Dash Now page. So with that said, I want to go over everything you must know about the Dash Now homepage, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It's advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over in this video is very market dependent. What applies to me and my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. How to use the Dash Now homepage. To start receiving orders, you can start a Dash by clicking the Dash Now button in your Dash tab. If Dash Now is unavailable, area is gray, you may see a schedule button instead, which allows you to schedule a Dash at a time and location in the future. I actually just made a video on scheduling as a whole. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check that out. The heat map on the home screen of the Dasher apps is updated in real time and will tell you when and where Dash Now is available. When the heat map is light pink, Dash Now will become available and tapping it will start a Dash, making you eligible to start receiving orders. When the heat map is red and it says that it is very busy or busy, Dash Now to take advantage of areas with high customer demand. When the heat map is gray, that means Dash Now is currently unavailable. So going over each of those colors that they're talking about, gray means Dash Now is unavailable. They have capacity of drivers and orders, and there is no spots open there at this time. The light pink or normal, where Dash Now is available, but you might need to wait longer for orders, meaning that there's not a lot of orders going on, but there is open slots. Busy, you're going to get orders pretty soon, or there are orders coming in already. Very busy, you will get orders almost instantly. The way they display it in the picture, it says plus $1, but that's not necessarily the case either. That would only apply if there's an active peak pay at the time. And also another important point to note, just because there are more orders, that doesn't mean there are good orders. Just because there are a lot of orders available and not a lot of drivers, or there are a lot of drivers and orders available, that just means no one's taking orders. So be careful of that as well. Don't let them mislead you by being a moth to a flame and chasing that flame, because you might get burned that way. From time to time, Dash Now may only be available to select Dashers depending on their equipment type, vehicle type, reward status, or other factors, including but not limited to Top Dasher and Dashers with priority access. When the heat map is gray, Dashers can try navigating to a different area to dash or check back later to see if Dash Now is available. Top Dashers may Dash Now at any time. To be clear, I'm not the biggest fan of Top Dasher as a whole, but I will leave a video link on my video on the subject in the description. Feel free to check that out. Look for peak pay on the Dash Now tab to maximize earnings. When peak pay is available, you can make more by completing deliveries. For instance, in the example above, you can see Dash in CA, San Mateo / Redwood City and earn an extra $2 per order until 11 a.m. I know I'm plugging a lot, but with all of these in-depth conversations, I do need to plug it this way. I will leave a video to peak pay in the description, as well as challenges, which is another form of promo pay. Feel free to check that out. Navigate to areas where Dash Now is available. If Dash Now is not available, the area is gray, and you want to get on the road, you can tap on a different area. If the area is close enough, you can tap Dash along the way to get orders on the way to the new area. Once your Dash has started, you can accept orders and start earning. Dash along the way is an interesting feature to where you would actually be able to earn while trying to transition into a different area. I don't know if you have to be a certain distance away from it, but that being said, the opportunity to actually earn during a transition seems pretty solid. But overall, I'm more of a component of learning a specific location, scheduling myself out as far as possible, and maximizing that particular location, especially if you don't know where those locations are. Imagine going into an area and turns out it's a lot rougher than you thought it was. Something to keep in mind. Did I miss anything? is there something else about the DoorDash homepage that I've yet to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that anybody and everybody knows anything and everything that they must know about the DoorDash homepage so that way they can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.